There are several ways to earn money through games. Here are a few options. 1. Esports and competitive gaming. If you are skilled in a particular game, you can participate in esports competitions and tournaments. Many esports tournaments offer cash prizes to winners, and professional esports players can earn substantial amounts of money through sponsorships and endorsements. 2. Game streaming. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow you to stream your gameplay live to an audience. As you gain followers and viewers, you can earn money through donations, sponsorships, and ad revenue. 3. Game testing. Game developers often hire individuals to test their games and provide feedback. You can sign up for beta testing programs or work as a freelance game tester to earn money by playing games before their official release. 4. In-game items and virtual currency. Some games allow players to purchase in-game items, such as skins, weapons, or virtual currency, with real money. If you have valuable items or currency, you can sell them to other players for real-world money through online marketplaces or platforms specific to the game. 5. Game development and modding. If you have programming or game development skills, you can create your own games or modify existing ones. You can earn money by selling your games on platforms like Steam or by creating mods and receiving donations or revenue from them. 6. Game testing apps. Certain apps and platforms offer rewards or cash for playing games or completing specific tasks within games. These apps may require you to reach certain levels, achieve specific scores, or participate in in-app activities to earn rewards or cash. It's important to note that earning money through games often requires dedication, skill, and persistence. Building an audience or becoming a professional gamer takes time and effort. Additionally, always be cautious of scams or illegitimate opportunities promising easy money through gaming. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.